Also, the case where we have 7 over 2 to be our fraction, this to an improper fraction. So, or the otherwise, for where we have the numerator to be lesser than the denominator, then we have this to be what? A proper fraction. So from here, having understand this, we can then go ahead to start to look into some examples of how we can express our numbers as a form of mixed fraction, or change from proper fraction to mixed fraction, or proper fraction to mixed fraction, or improper fraction to mixed fraction. So looking at some examples here, we have 4 over 3. This refers to as improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So to change this to a mixed fraction, we then have our expression to be 4 over 3, which equals to 3. We split the 4 into 2 number, which then equals to 3. So in here we have 3 over 3 plus 1 over 3, which then give us 3 divided by 3 equals to 1 plus 1 divided by 3, which can then finally be written as 1 whole number 1 over 3, which give us the mixed fraction by converting this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Another example is this. Is the case where we have 11 over 4. This can then be written as, written this, we have 8 plus 3 equals to over 4, which then give us 8 over 4 plus 3 over 4, then give us 8 divided by 4. We have twice, we get 4 2 times in 8 plus 3 over 4, which can finally be written as 2 whole number 3 over 4 into mixed fraction. Another example here is the case of 25 over 6. So to convert this to a mixed fraction, we have 25 split into 24 over 6, that is plus 1, 24 plus 1, which then give us 24 over 6 plus 1 over 6. This then give us 4. If we divide 24 over 6, we divide 24 by 6, we have 4, which then give us 4 plus 1 over 6, which can also finally be written as 4 whole number 1 over 6 as our final answer. Under this, the last example we are going to look into is where we have 129 over 100. To express this in a mixed fraction, we split 129 into 2. There we have 100 plus 29 over 100. This will be equals to 100 over 100 plus 29 over 100. So this then give us 100 divided by 100 will be equals to 1 plus 29 over 100, which can finally be written as 1 whole number 29 over 100 as our final answer.